Hello everyone. I want to welcome you to the intro session for all the tutorials that's coming. I want to congratulate every single person for starting with us in the Alpha Inverse project. There are many steps to be done, and here at the first video that we will put for the tutorial, there is a series of tutorials that will help you in a way or another to become better when it comes to the tools to have a better understanding for our tools, for our services, and how you can benefit uh, from these tools provided by EA Economy and by the Alpha Universe project for to build your career for the medium and the long term. So here today we will start with the ECA. But I want you to focus very well and not to miss all the tutorials. You will see tutorials on every single thing. You will see tutorials on the payment way, how to renew the autoship. You will see tutorials when it comes to the Manara, when it comes to the MNS, when it comes to the Discord. We see tutorials for every single tool you will need in order to grow and build this career in a safe way and to follow the 12 weeks plan and any plan that you are working on with your mentor to help you to grow it. So first, I will start with the first thing at the beginning, which is the ECA, Economy Calibrate Academy. You log into your office to.economy.io. You put your username password. After this, you go to Forex. You go to ECA, Economy Calibrate Academy, and then you click on Learn ECA, and then you will be able to log in. You put your email and your password. Okay, I use another email now because mine is more for as because I'm a trainer, I'm more like a contributor, so I have access from the back office. So here you can see this ECA is divided into three categories. The first one is the ECA, the Forex Academy, Crypto Academy, Stocks Academy, Product Overview. You will see everything about it. If you go to Forex Academy, you have English, Arabic, Polish. If you speak English, this is English. If you speak Arabic, you have my trainings here for beginners mainly to take the first step by step in order to know more about it. We talk about the welcome video, what is Forex, lot size, pips, all these. Of course, this is for Arabic. For for Polish, there is in the Polish language. In English, there is also for beginners and advanced. You can see everything also is Dabo. So you have everything that you need in order to start with us, okay? Then you have the Crypto Academy, where also you can have trainings about crypto. Then you have the Stock Academy, also you will have training about stocks. And you will have here a product overview. If you want to know more about all the product provided by Economy, you can have a product overview with the trainers here. Then the second thing you can click to is the live trading sessions. In the live trading sessions, you can find MNS Arabic, where we do our live session on the US 30, or Manara even, Forex Manara trainings. So here, let's say MNS Arabic, you have the intro and the past weekly sessions, up to 12 weeks past weekly session. First, I will start with the intro. With the intro, I already put for you two trainings. This is in English. It's not in Arabic. It is in English. First, about the 4 rules to scalp the US 30. It's super important with backtesting. How we trade, if you want to jump with me on the US 30, the live sessions, how to trade the scalp, how to scalp in the US 30, the 4 main rules, and we start the practice after this, and how to maximize your profit from the weekly overview trades also, because in the MNS Arabic, we have the scalp sessions on the US 30 every single day from Monday till Friday, backtesting session on Saturday, but on Sunday we have the weekly overview when it comes to all these pairs, euro, dollar, GBP, USD, and all these gold, oil, USD CHF, AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, so, and Bitcoin even. So here you watch these intro videos. After this, if you want to see our live sessions, the past live session, even you go Arabic, Amanus here, Forex, live trading session, Arabic, past weekly sessions. As you can see, you click on the past weekly sessions, and once it takes you to the past weekly sessions, it will show you these following things. Every session that we do was where it's uploaded and uh, where it's uploaded and saved. And the beauty of it that you can revise it. You can see how we took these trade live, how we did it, how we are taking, how our live sessions are being like. The more you get into these sessions, the more it will be better for you because you will understand more about it. And here also we update the weekly overview every Sunday. So once it's approved, it's updated. So you can watch it here also beside the Aminis group on Telegram. And the US 30 backtesting session also are uploaded. So here you can watch everything, the backtesting session, the weekly overview, and every session. So from Monday till Sunday, everything is here and you can watch it all from A to Z. Okay, this is super important, very important to watch it and to be following these step by step. If you want to learn, if you want to go with the stock things, also you have the intro, the advanced, the past weekly sessions also is jazz, so you can get it and you can watch it. If you are a stock lover, you want to try to get some stock trades, how you take it with the way, man, guys, this is super important to learn. Here you are here to learn and to make it better. Also, you have the Forex training Manara, you have the intro, you have the advanced, you have the past weekly sessions about the Manara trainings to become better and better if you want to take trades using the AI that you can use, which is the Manara. So, and then here we move to the masterclass. And here, what do you mean by the masterclass? Once you click on this masterclass, you'll have the calendar of the months. Here you have our calendars with our live. So whenever you want to find our live session, our Zoom for every single day that I do personally, you have here Abdullah, and all the other traders, of course, depends on who you are following. And exactly, for example, Ralph Danka, when it comes to and Idris Mahmoud to the Manara. You have Jessica Ramos for the live on stocks, and me. If you click here, you put view, and once you put view, it will send you to the Zoom link live. So you go and you join us in our live session every single day at the US Open, the US Market Open. This is the description about the call and what do we do during this call. It's 6:30 p.m. Dubai time, 6:30 p.m. Dubai time. So every day by day, you go and you get the link so you can have it so far, as long as you are still on Amanus Arabic on Telegram. Also, I'm sending on Telegram, but here you can find all the links that you need in this academy, and you can be with the educators in economy. You can watch it all and you can benefit to the max, guys. So this is regarding the ECA, nothing complicated, everything is easy, but here first you can learn, and here you can also learn and also watch the past sessions and the masterclass to go live with the traders and the educators. So hopefully this tutorial was really beneficial for you as a ECA. Don't forget to go forward and watch the Manara tutorial, the Amanus Arabic tutorial, the Discord tutorial to know more about how you can benefit to the max when it comes to starting with us and benefiting with EA Economy and the Alpha University project. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.